Some time ago, I encountered a tool, a basic theorem that when seen clearly, can help you achieve anything in life that you want. It was in front of my eyes for a very long time, but I was not realizing its value. I was like blind to it. It is clearly written in the book Think and Grow Rich. You can read it. It is a very classic book. It is the basic self-help book that everyone reads. So the theorem was completely blankly written there, and I was not realizing its value. And it outlined the 4 basic steps that help you achieve anything. So hey guys, this is Naveen, and you are here because you have a spark inside yourself to do great things, and we provide you with the tools to help you achieve that. So without delay, let's get started. So I'm here to give you 4 basic tools, 4 basic steps to achieve anything in life you want. You may want to start a business. You may want to make a movie. You may want to raise a family or raise a kid or any other goal in life that you want. These are the basic 4 steps used by everyone in history, from Thomas Alva Edison to Tesla to Steve Jobs to Nelson Mandela, to help them achieve anything. They may not actually realize that they are using this process, but the author Napoleon Hill in the book Think and Grow Rich has outlined this basic fact that they are actually using the process. They may not be conscious of it, but they are using it. So let's get straight to the process itself. The first step, the first prerequisite is desire. You must have a burning desire for something if you want to achieve it. Like you want to start a business, go deep into that. Find the desire, find what is desirable to you, find what you want, and create different future scenarios that attract you to it. And after some time that it has been cast into a burning obsession inside you, then you will be more driven, then you will have the energy required to conquer the challenges that will be ahead in the future. So the first basic requisite is a clean burning desire for something. Without it, further steps cannot be taken. Now the second thing is faith. Now faith is the eternal elixir that gives life to your thoughts, your desires. You may have a desire for anything, like you may desire to go to the moon or anything else, but you don't actually believe it. You don't have faith that it will be achieved. The desire will not act on its behalf, because our minds work like that. You might have seen in the motivation deconstruction video that I have provided the basic formula of motivation, that ambition plus expectancy is equal to motivation. Ambition is desire, expectancy is belief plus some expectancy in the event itself. But you must expect the event to happen, and for that you must have faith in the event. Only after that your mind will start to provide some motivation for you to take action for the thing itself. So you must have faith in yourself that you are going to achieve that. Faith is the eternal elixir that gives life to your thoughts. Now third thing is planning. You must have heard that failing to plan is planning to fail. So plan is very important. Even if you have the belief in yourself that you're gonna achieve that, but still the outcome is far from you. You must have to do a number of things, become a completely different person in order to become that. And your mind says why should you do that? Why would I provide the energy? Because it's not actually possible. So your belief will be faltering. There's when you have to add the planning to it. Try to think a basic plan, a basic strategy you will be following to achieve the goal you want to achieve. It doesn't need to be perfect. You can always improve it in the process itself, but make a basic plan and be flexible to change it throughout the way. So these were the 3 basic steps that you need in order to achieve something: desire, faith, plan. But there's also a 4th ingredient, that is required most of the times. That is actually what makes the difference between one who like did succeed and one who doesn't. So what's the ingredient? The ingredient, the masala, is persistence. You will find that while achieving something, while trying to achieve something, you will encounter certain problems, certain setbacks, certain backward trends. And most of the people, maybe they think bad about themselves and they quit, or they think that it is not possible in the world and they quit. So that's where persistence comes into play. You must again raise your faith in the process itself and make a plan. You may go around the problem or think other solutions, or take help or anything, but you don't have to give up. If you still want the thing and you still think that it is possible in the world, you should try to achieve it, and you should raise your beliefs again and make a plan again. So these were the 4 basic things that will be required for you to achieve anything in your life. Get these right and anything will be possible for you, my friend. So I hope I have provided you with a tool to empower you to achieve great things. And with that, I take a leave. Thank you.